go over the basic steps that you're going to use to solve word problems. Listen up. Listen. So, in your lab book, you don't have room on the yellow sheet, but in your lab book, you're going to be solving the problems. These are distance, time, and speed problems. The basic formula for solving these problems is that you do a distance, speed, time circle formula. And for that circle formula, you only need to remember one thing, and that's which letter is on top. D is on top, that's correct. The S and the T can be interchanged. All right. So realize that you have to choose the correct letter equation from the three options, plug in the numbers, chug the math, and box in the answer. That's the basics. More detailed, however, if you don't understand the problem the first time around, read it again. Single underline what it is you need to find out. That's the unknown, or the X. Double underline what you do know. You will be given two unknowns, or two knowns, and you have to solve for one unknown. Jack?
So when we answer the problem, there is you have to use the scratch paper. We use the side of scratch paper.
The scratch paper is the stuff you turn in. You do all your work in your lab notebook.
Okay,
So no.
I know, yeah, you
Correct. So you're going to write down the two variables you do know. Then look at the circle formula and write the correct formula for the unknown. Next, substitute in the known variables with the numbers and the units. Number 8, solve the problem for the unknown. Do the math operations. You can use a calculator. Cancel any units and make sure the units are in order. In some of these, you're going to see that you have to make the units the same. Like you have to convert seconds to minutes, or meters to kilometers, or vice versa. And then put a box around your answer. Okay, so this particular question is on the second page of your sheet, and we're just going to do this together. First, it says what you know, and what you know is that the distance is 50 meters and the time is 3 seconds. That you can figure out. And it's asking for the speed, the average speed of the football. So, in terms of solving this problem, we know that speed is what we're looking for. So S equals what? Who knows from the circle formula how to calculate that? Johnny. Good. S equals D over T. That's the first thing that you want to write. You also want to write down that you know D. D is 50 meters. And notice, it's not a naked number. If I had written 50 there, it would be wrong. T is 3 seconds. And we're solving for S. Now we plug and chug. S equals D is 50 meters. So we write in 50 m. divided by t, which is 3 seconds. Okay, that's the next step. The next step is to crunch the numbers. 50 divided by 3 is what? It's going to be a decimal number. What is it? Who's got a calculator?
Well, 16.66, I think maybe.
Who's got a calculator? What is it? Okay, so now here is a problem. The calculator said it was 16.66, but that 0.66 is more accurate or more detailed than any one of my numbers. I only have numbers to the whole decimal point to the tens. So I cannot say 0.6. What I can do, however, is round it to 17 meters per second. And don't forget to write the S equals, put a box around it, and you are now done with that problem. And that's how you do it. Hold on.